Well, thank you very much, and it's great to be with a very good friend of mine, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. We're going to be talking about trade and many other things, but trade is going to be of very, very paramount importance, and we're doing more trade as it turns, and we're working together on some borders, and we're talking about Kashmir and the relation to what's going on with Pakistan and India, and if we can help, we certainly will be helping. We've been watching that and following it very, very closely. But it's an honor to be with my friend, and thank you very much. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Well, Mr. President, good to see you again.
Thank you.
And yes, there are issues we want to talk about. Main issue, of course, is Afghanistan, because it concerns the U.S. and Pakistan. And fortunately, we are on the same page. Both of us are interested in peace there and an orderly transition in Afghanistan with talks with Taliban and the government. And also, of course, India, it is a big issue. For us in Pakistan, it's a big issue. And of course, we always hope that the U.S. would play its part in resolving it, because no other country can.
Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. We're going to have a good talk. Thank you very much, everybody.
When you go to India, will you also visit Pakistan?
Well, we're visiting right now, so we won't really have to. But I wanted to say hello. For both a relationship standpoint, we've had a great relationship, and from the standpoint of our two countries, we're getting along very well. I would say we've never been closer with Pakistan than we are right now. And that's a big statement, although I wouldn't say at all times we were close as a country. But we are very close right now because of the relationship that we have. So it's very important.
Mr. President, are you planning on imposing auto tariffs on imports from Europe?
We expect to be able to make a deal with Europe, and if they don't make a deal, we'll certainly give that very strong consideration. Okay? But we expect to make a deal with Europe. The European Union we met with, as you know, and we had a very good talk. But if we're unable to make a deal, we will have to do something, because we've been treated very badly as a country for many, many years on trade. And, of course, NATO also, if you look at what happens with NATO, we're spending a vast predominance of the money. We're spending money like for years. This has gone on for years. We're protecting Europe, and that's fine, but they can't do it to us on trade. So they know they have to do something, and if they're fair, we're not going to have a problem. Okay? Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you.